In today's video, we're going to do the service light reset by ourselves. So as an example, we're going to get rid of the service light indicator on the dashboard. That right there, it says service overdue, heavy service performed at specialized workshop. So pretty much all I did was an oil change, but I don't like when the service light comes on. So yeah, I can just hit this little on the wheel, let's see here. On the wheel, I can do this. Oh, hold on. Let me see if I keep on doing that. Yeah, there it goes. Now it turns off, but it kind of gets annoying seeing that every time you turn the bike on. So instead, I'm going to get rid of it with this. It's going to be the OBD link, and it's actually called the OBD link MX2. All right, and this is just going to plug into the OBD port, this part right here. Okay, so this is it right here. So all I'm going to do is get this and plug it into here. Just make sure it's all the way there, and it's automatically going to power on. And you'll notice right here is trying to connect to Bluetooth. So in order for this to work, you have to download the Motoscan app, and it has to be on an Android phone only. So you can't use an iPhone, it's only Android, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is the Android phone, and you're going to download this app right here, which is the Motoscan app. So you click it, and it's going to launch it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pick your series. So on this model, the BMW S1000RR, I'm going to go to S series, and then from S series, I already know that it's known as the K67 S1000RR, and it's going to be this here. So you just click on that. And then right now, this will show you all of the basic functions. Now, in order to use the service reset tool, it's $26. So you have to purchase the software in order for it to access the service reset tool. So keep that into consideration, but the more you do oil changes, it's well worth it when you start doing your own oil changes instead of having to take it into the dealership and then have them reset the service light. So once you're in your Android phone, you're going to go to Bluetooth settings, and you're going to click on where it says OBD Link MX Plus right here. So you're going to click that, and then it's pairing. And then it's going to say Bluetooth pairing code, and then you just hit pair. Perfect. Now under connected devices, we have the OBD Link sensor. And then getting back to the prices, you have basic, professional, ultimate, and then the prices are $13.99, $26.99 as of July 2024. And then you have the ultimate. Now, to get to the service, the reset service intervals one, it's this one here. That's $26.99. And of course, the prices could change, but as of July 2024, that's what that is. So I'm going to purchase that one in order to use the reset service intervals. So once you've purchased it, all you're going to do is you're going to hit the model of your motorcycle. So mine's the S series. It's going to be the K67. You're going to click that. And then once you're there, you're going to go down to instrument cluster right here. So you're going to click instrument cluster. And then you're going to do, now, since I purchased it, it's given me the service reset option. So I just click on that, and I already did it. So today's date is July 26, 2024, and I already reset them all. So the reset mileage is at 10,000, which means that July 25th, July 26, 2025, roughly around that time frame is when it's going to come up again. So once you do that, this is plugged in, and then you just hit reset, 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 and then if you need to change it, you can change it to, you know, higher miles or lower miles, whichever one you want. Once that's done, this is already right here. This is already on. So once you do that, all you're going to do is turn it off. Right? You're going to turn the motorcycle off, and it's okay if that's still in there. The OBD, that's okay. You could take it out actually, but I'll just leave it in because it's already there. So once you turn it on, the only thing that should be on is my low fuel gauge reminder. So here, see how it says ride to the next fueling station? So not that, because I already know that I only have 11 miles left. But if I go all the way down, and then I go to my vehicle, and then I scroll with the wheel all the way to the right, now it's going to show the due date on July 26, 2025, and then it's going to show remaining distance 6,200 miles, and I'll roughly do an oil change then. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So I figure, you know, I might as well just continue to do oil changes on this, and then I'll take it in for anything, you know, that I can't really do. But I think this is a really good investment to have. Also, you can do your buddies' motorcycles too. If they have BMW motorcycles or different models, that would work as well. And it's just this. Now, there was also the green one, and I wasn't sure which one to get. So the green one, I think it's a little bit cheaper. This was $100 or $110 or so. So you can either get this one or the green one. The green one's cheaper, but the reason why I got this one too is because I have an older truck, and I believe that I can use some functions in there either to do a reset, which actually I have my engine light on in the truck, my service reset light or service light in the truck, and I know that it's just for an oil change, but I have like, you know, 100% synthetic oil in there. So I know that on my truck, it's just letting me know that I should do an oil change at 5,000, but I don't really drive it that far. So I know that the oil in there is good enough to, you know, go for a couple more thousand. But I'm going to use this so I could reset the light and see if it works. But if I do it that way, you don't use the Motoscan app, because a Motoscan app is just for BMW motorcycles. Instead, you're going to use the OBD Link MX Plus app that you can download. And I'll probably do a video on that to show you how that's done when you want to do it with vehicles. But as far as this with the motorcycles, this one is just the Motoscan app. You download it on Android. You buy the OBD sensor. It goes into the sensor there. Once you pick your motorcycle, then you can do the service reset. Keep in mind, right now, as of July 2024, it's $26 to do it. And then you double check it through your display here, and it shows that it is exactly reset as how I want it. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions about it, how to get it. Oh yeah, where did I get this at? I believe I bought this off of Amazon. I was searching around like for eBay, and you know eBay's kind of a little bit shady, so you want to make sure that you have a reputable seller, at least with Amazon, or at least if you have a Prime account. And I've had them long enough. They don't give me any questions on returns, but I'm happy with this one. So this one works pretty good for what I need. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions or comments on there, hopefully that I can answer. And I think that's it, but just thank you very much for watching. And then I'm going to start to do some more videos of me riding the motorcycle. I've been in kind of a hiatus right now, so I haven't done much riding lately. But I do want to try out the Insta360. I have the X3, and I want to do the mounting part where I can mount it here with a washer and a bracket. And then I also did get the pole that will go down here, and I ordered it off of Amazon just because a buddy of mine has it on his, and I'll do a video on that on the installation. But hope you like this video, and thank you very much for watching. Till next time.